Welcome to Magical House. Today we're going to draw a super cute panda step by step. Grab your markers and let's get started. First, let's draw 2 small circles for the panda's eyes. Then, we'll add 2 big circles around them to make his eye patches. So adorable. Next, we'll draw a little circle for his nose and some lines for his happy smile. Let's outline the lines we just drew and fill in his nose with our black marker. Now, it's time to color in his eye patches. Watch as the panda comes to life. Next, let's draw a big circle for his head. Once that's done, we'll add his ears, 1 on each side. Don't forget to color them in with your black marker to make them pop. Now, let's draw his clothes. We'll add some straps and 2 little circles for buttons, then finish the rest of his outfit. It's time for a huge smile. This will be his pocket. Then we'll draw his arms and color them in black. Look at our panda taking shape. For his legs, let's draw 3 circles, 2 small ones and 1 big one for his paw prints. We'll do the same for the other leg. Don't forget to color them in completely with your black marker. Now for the fun details. Let's add a cute flower with a leaf and some little marks to look like grass. Doesn't it look amazing already? Let's start coloring. Use your green marker to color the leaf and grass. Grab a yellow marker for the flower. It's so bright and cheerful. For his clothes, we'll use a blue marker. The buttons will look perfect in orange. And we'll use pink for his ears and the bottom of his feet. And that's it. Look at our beautiful panda. So colorful and cute. We hope you had so much fun drawing with us. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you next time for more creative adventures.